The IRESS Portfolio System, or IPS module, offers a rich suite of tools designed for the investment professional. Holdings can be recorded and prices are updated through bulk data downloads from all the major product providers on a nightly basis. This is backed up by a daily price feed which features asset allocations too from Morningstar, and portfolios can be monitored and evaluated. For each particular security, we can bring up things like KID reports and fund fact sheets from Morningstar, and there's a range of analysis tools where we can look at things like asset allocation, how the asset allocation has a variance to the risk profile, and we can display that in a number of ways, including bar graphs and pie charts, looking at comparisons of the current position against the risk profile. We're able to look at regional allocations, and there's also a raft of tools to help analyse the portfolio, looking at things like simulated rates of return, efficient frontier, and volatility and such. We also include some Morningstar analytics, where we can see the Morningstar ratings for particular securities. We can look at risk and return. We can back test the portfolio over different time frames, and we can even look at risk and return scatter plots. From here, the advisor will typically look at analysing performance, and IPS is very strong in this area. We can choose particular date ranges, and we can look at performance over time and track internal rate of return and time-weighted rate of return for particular periods. That is naturally dependent upon having transaction history, and that can be input manually, or we can take a bulk transaction feed from certain platforms, and that will populate that into that section. Having analysed the portfolio, we can then compare the current position to a particular model, which can be on a discretionary or advisory basis, and we can then lead that through to a rebalance instruction for the client. There are a range of reports which IPS can also deliver, and that will integrate to the valuation wizard within Client Focus. Thank you for the listening and for the introduction to our IPS module. For more information, contact sales@iress.co.uk.